Well, good morning. This is a bit different. I really wasn't expecting this, but at the same time, how can we not have an achievement assembly on a Monday? I hope you're all well and I hope you're all warm. As you know, sadly, I've had to shut the school this morning, and you know how much I hate to shut the school. But to be honest, I couldn't even get out my driveway this morning. The snow was so heavy. I cleared my car last night and I thought, no problem today. But no, absolutely no chance. So when I finished assembly this morning, I'm going to get out there and I'm going to dig my car out. And hopefully, we'll all be ready for tomorrow. But what I would say, as the school is shut and it's rare, and as we've had a lot of snow and that's rare, you need to be out there in the snow. You need to make sure you built a snowman. If you're able to sledge, you need to go sledging. All those things we don't do very often because, to be honest, living in Folkestone, it doesn't snow that often and we need to make the most of it. I think some of you probably won't even remember the last time we had snow. As for me, I was out there yesterday sledging. Where I live, there's a huge hill behind us. And I went down it and I went down really fast and it was brilliant. But then at the bottom, it was, oh no, I've got to walk all the way back up again. I did that a few times and I have to say my legs are really aching this morning. But never mind. What we have done this morning is we've made sure all the teachers have emailed me in their stars. All the merits have been emailed in. Sadly, I don't have certificates to show you or anything like that, but you can still hear who the stars are this week. And the one thing I'm particularly pleased about is the amount of work that's going on and that we've still got merit certificates as well. So remember, if you are lucky enough to be in school this week, you'll get your certificate in school. If you are at home, then please look out in the post because one should be coming to you. Now, before we start this week, I've got an apology to make. Miguel in year 3, I am so sorry because last week you were the star of the week and I didn't read you out because I got confused and I had the star from the week before. So Miguel, for all your excellent home learning, you were the star last week. Hopefully you got the certificate, but you were the star. So let's have a look at what we've got on my list today. So in terms of merits, now they are all at school because Mr. Ward very kindly went into school early this morning. He trudged through the snow and he sent photographs of all the merit certificates to me. So I know for a fact that merits are 100 merits for Bowie Harris, for Kira Tassel and for Annabella Freed. So well done to them. We've got 200 merits, a very impressive 200 merits for Stacey Williams. And then an even more impressive 300 merits. We've got 300 merits for Amelia Kennett, Phoebe Packham and Aidan Cleary. So really well done to you. That's very impressive. And what's nice to see as well is those of you at home are still earning merits as well. So keep that going. Earn as many as you can. Right, and then I've also got to say, Mr. Hulks emailed me over the weekend and he was very pleased. Because our Get Set to Tokyo, remember the assembly last week, you have been amazing. This is what's happened so far. So far, we have done 363 hours of exercise, which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And we've gone from London to Paris and to Athens already. And we're only 700 kilometers short of getting to Atlanta, which is brilliant. So in total, we've done 10,862 kilometers. Now, I know Mr. Hulks is very surprised at that. I don't think any of us expected you to do so well so quickly. So really well done. Right, now to merits. Now to stars of the week. Now, some of these stars this week are brilliant. Reception, I had to print one out separately because so much good has been going on in reception. So I'm going to start with reception class. And it says here in reception class in Hawkinge, it says for working so hard at home, uploading and completing lots of work on Purple Mash, but also going above and beyond and sending in a huge amount of work into school as well. And that's amazing. And that's really well done to George Hunter. We look forward to having you back in school, George, but we are delighted to see the amount of work you're doing. Really well done. And then in Capel class, we've got for having a brilliant attitude towards his learning in school and for trying extremely hard to read, particularly in read, write, ink and literacy. He's even practicing his blending and writing in choosing time. Isn't that fantastic? And that goes to Jasper Rowden. So well done, Jasper. Really, really good work. And then we move on to year one. Now, year one, we've got in Dymchurch class, we've got for confident counting in twos up to 20. So really well done for that. And that is Winnie Mae Viles. Well done. And in Hythe class, we've got for writing and interesting facts about pirates. Really nice to see. And that's Annabella Freed. So star of the week to you, Annabella. Hopefully you'll be in tomorrow and you'll get that one. And then we move on to year two. And in year two, we'll start off with Wingham class. And it says, for fantastic and enthusiastic contribution to learning. And then in big letters at the end, keep it up. And I'm pleased to say that goes to Frankie Morton Walker. Well done, Frankie. And in Chilham class, we've got working very hard to solve division number sentences in maths. So really well done. And I'm pleased to say it's Poppy Tanner. So well done, Poppy Tanner. Great work. And moving on to year three. And we're very pleased to see both of these in year three. And so we'll start off with Dungeness class. And it says, for really positive attitude towards home learning. And again, in big letters, it says, keep it up. And I know because I saw a lot of her work on Seesaw last week. And that's Billy Mae Gorman. Well done, Billy Mae. Lovely to have you on Seesaw. Keep using that laptop and let's see a lot this week as well. That'll be brilliant. And into Woodchurch, we've got fantastic home learning on Seesaw, Purple Mash and other areas. And that's fantastic. And again, this is someone I see loads of work from. I'm really impressed. You just keep that up, please. And that's Joseph Pike. Well done, Joseph. Great work. And to year four. Year four have done a home and a school learner again. And the home learner for year four is brilliant attitude towards completing all the learning at home tasks. She is showing 100% effort when completing all her work. And that's brilliant. And that is Elsie Smith. Well done, Elsie. We are very proud of what you're doing at home. Well done. And in school, we've got excellent positive attitude towards her learning and her friends. And, towards his learning and his friends. And that goes to Thomas Williams. Thomas, you had a fantastic week last week. Please keep it up. You're doing really, really well. Excellent. And then to year five. And year five have also done a home and a school learner as well. We'll start with the school learner in year five. And it says settling well back into school and doing her best in everything. Particularly impressive on Friday in science, where she made her own set of teeth in science. And I saw them and they were very, very impressive. And also very impressive because she managed to hurt her fingers with a ball as well, but still came in smiling. So we're delighted to see you here. And that's Maisie Thornby. Well done, Maisie. And then to the home learner. And it says, consistently good work at home. Each piece is presented beautifully, and she shows that she's keeping up her learning all the time at home. And that goes to Hasti Raffet. I've got to say, Hasti, I've been looking at all your work on Seesaw. Absolutely amazing. Really, really well done. And then we move on to year 6. And in Canterbury class, we've got amazing attitude towards working and towards getting on in school, and a brilliant diary entry, which was 3 pages long. Incredible, it says here on my work. And that goes to Christian. Christian, I've mentioned your name a few times in school lately. Really well done. Keep going. And then to Rochester class, we've got amazing attitude and perseverance in every area of learning. And being positive in attitude despite all the changes. And I'm pleased to say that goes to Abby Andrews. So well done, Abby. You are an example to us all about how you get on and how you work. And then also to Margate class. In Margate class, we've got the Star has produced some very good independent work this week. In fact, amazing independent work, and has shown consideration and respect for others. And I'm pleased to say it's Benji Harmon this week. Although Benji, I always find you polite and considerate, but it's lovely to see it down here as well. So that's all I've got. Hopefully we're back in school tomorrow. Please do your home learning today. If you've got a Zoom session, it will still be going ahead. All new work has been set. So you go on the website, you go on Seesaw, you go on Purple Mash. It's all there, and it's all there waiting for you. Please, please have a good day. Have some time for sledging and snow as well. Build me a snowman. And on Seesaw, if you want to send any pictures or little films about the snow, I would love to see them. Have a great day, everybody, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow.